How to create add-on domains. Log into your cPanel account and you will see this page. In the Domains section, click on the Add-on Domains icon. In the Create an Add-on Domain field, enter the new domain name. For example, engagebranding.com. When you enter the domain name and click on Subdomain, cPanel automatically populates the subdomain and document root text boxes. To select a different subdomain and document root, manually enter the desired subdomain and document root. For example, here we have changed the subdomain from Engage Branding to WP Engage. To create an FTP account for the new add-on domain, click the Create an FTP account associated with this add-on domain checkbox. When you click this checkbox, additional settings will appear. cPanel automatically populates the FTP username text box. To select a different FTP account username, manually enter the desired username. For example, WP Engage. Enter and confirm the new password in the appropriate text boxes. Click on Add Domain button. That's it, you have successfully created an add-on domain. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.